Hey guys, welcome back to STV, and in case you guys are new here, I'm Estee. And today, as you guys can tell from the title, yes, I'll be unboxing the new MacBook Air 2020. Just in case you guys are wondering, I paid the MacBook with my own money and it cost 1,299 Singapore dollars. So Apple actually has this installment plan with 0% interest where you guys can pay in 12 months or 24 months basis. So mine is the 12 months basis. So it actually costs about $100+ in a month. And because currently I'm working part-time, so I feel that spending $100 plus a month is actually more affordable for me in terms of my finance as compared to spending all 1,299 in one go. So this is actually under the Apple Education Plan, where students get the MacBook at a cheaper rate as compared to the original price. And also, I actually got a free AirPods just by purchasing the MacBook Air. So if you have any queries, you can just go to the Apple online store to check it out. I've been a Windows user my whole life, and getting a MacBook was really new to me. But what made me choose to get a MacBook was because number one, I heard from many of my friends who are MacBook users saying that the battery life is really lasting, and I find it very useful and beneficial in a university lecture setting. Number two, it's aesthetically pleasing, and number three, it's rare for an Apple product to be affordable. And also, okay, so let's get unboxing! Ta-da! I actually got this space grey base model. Apple logo. And all the specs is here. I'm gonna give you guys the first view. I'm gonna open it. Oh my god! Oh shit. Oh no, okay. Ta-da! Got my hands on these. Okay, now I'm gonna open it up. It's really tight.
A few moments later.
Okay, finally. Gotta make sure it's clean. Here it is! My new... Oh, my hands are tired. My new MacBook. Okay, so how do I... Okay, I'm gonna... Okay, now I'm gonna open it carefully and not drop it. Smells like a new computer. Sorry guys, I'm gonna see the first view first, okay? Oh, okay lah. I share with you all now. Slowly. I don't even dare to take out this paper. Okay, I'm gonna take out. Gotta be careful. Okay, so now I'll show you guys what's in the package in the box. Okay, so there it is. They have this I think information booklet. Okay, information booklet, and the wire Yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys like that. Okay, and the wire, as well as the charger. And actually, this charger is really small as compared to the ones, I think MacBook Pro, from the ones I see from my friends, those that own MacBook Pro. It's actually quite small. It's the size of my palm. Makes it really portable, so I think I'm happy. I like small things. It's easier to carry about. Okay. So, I think there's nothing else. So, here is the unboxing of my space gray MacBook Air. So pretty. Okay, just to give you guys a roundabout of the computer. So there's actually two USB-C Thunderbolt ports, as well as one headphone jack. And yeah, okay, now I'm gonna check for scratches in case. Gotta be brand new. I think it's beautiful. Look at the aesthetics. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys after setting up. Hey guys, so I just finished setting up my MacBook and trying to get comfortable with it. And I really want to emphasize on its build quality as it's very sturdy. However, as I'm not a Mac user, I can't really comment much on this MacBook. But don't worry, I'll post a long-term review in perhaps a few months' time, so do remember to check that video out. Hey guys, so the current video is actually edited on the new MacBook Air that I just got. So if you have enjoyed this video, do remember to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!